What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And as we all know that the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the lineup series is coming in February, but now we have its pre-reserve offers which you can expect from these smartphones and the Samsung Galaxy flagship lineup of smartphones. Now starting with this, the pre-reserve offer will be starting from 11th of January and they will be available till 1st of February 2023, and the offers will be available exclusive to the Samsung's authorized stores and outlets only, and there are certain terms and conditions for you to fulfill these offers. Now to fulfill and get the pre-reserve offer for the prize money, that Samsung, you have to pre-reserve your phone for 2000 rupees by the Now payment link which will be shared by the Samsung representative at the outlet. But also apart from that, what you also be getting is a 5000 worth of Smart Club points in the Samsung additional app, and this can be redeemed via after making your final purchase of the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup of smartphones. Well, also that this loyalty program is available in most of the Samsung Galaxy stores, but in case if they are not available at your store location, then you can also receive a free e-vouchers worth 5000 rupees, and it can be reserved via that. Now the pre-reserve offer is valid till 31st May 2023. You can redeem your 5000 rupees at that period of time maximum. Apart from after that, your points will eventually collapse and you won't be able to use them. Now, what do you think about this actual of 5000 rupees at the pre-booking or the pre-reserve offer from the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup of smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.